Good morning, universe. Today, I would like to give you a cure for diabetes based on whatever I have seen on YouTube. I have studied several YouTubes and I am a qualified pharmacist. And I belong to a family of homeopaths. My father and grandfather, they were all professional and highly successful homeopaths, homeopathic doctors. So, based on my personal experience too, I can give you concrete formulae or rather a recipe which you should follow and gain success. And if you get the benefits that I have seen in several cases, you may share your experience. Thank you very much. I'll go ahead. See, basically at night you have to take 4 to 5 ingredients and boil them in hot water for say 10 minutes and keep it covered with a lid. The first thing in the morning, whether you wake up at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, you have to drink it on an empty stomach, after which you may consume other items like tea, coffee, etc. You have to keep a gap of at least 1 hour to get maximum benefits. The first ingredient is Indrajav, INDRA space JAV, Jav. It is a Hindi word, but you can see up in the Google for the English version. The second item is methi seeds, that everybody knows, fenugreek seeds. Bay leaf, maybe 2 pieces. Karela powder or bitter gourd. If you have fresh bitter gourd, you can put about half. And finally, do not forget to put in lemon peels. It has got a very powerful action on the liver and the kidneys to detox the entire system. So Indrajav, methi seeds, bay leaf, lemon peels, bitter gourd powder. Boil them, keep it covered, consume it first thing in the morning, and you'll be shocked at the results. Your sugar level will go down instantly. Maybe in certain hardcore cases, it may go down after 3 days, but it will go down, that is for sure. It will go down to such a level that probably you may have to take a gap of 2 to 3 days after consuming it for 3 days together. I would also like to share with you the homeopathic remedies if you wish to continue in a more aggressive style. The first medicine is uranium nitrate, mother tincture, preferably by German medicines. They are available very freely nowadays. German seal bottles like Dr. Eckweg, etc. Uranium nitrate, mother tincture, I repeat. Take about 15 drops in 15 ml water at say around 8 to 9 a.m. a little before your breakfast. And Syzygium jambolicum. Yes, the jambul seeds. Homeopathy also makes medicines out of that. Take around 20 drops of that in 20 ml water in the evening, somewhere before tea time, or maybe 1 hour after tea. You'll be shocked to know that homeopathy is so advanced today that there's a medicine called insulin for hardcore cases. You can take insulin 30, 5 to 6 drops in 5 ml water in such a case at night if you want to see the synergistic action on very difficult to cure cases. The people who are tired of allopathic medicines. I do not recommend that you should give up your allopathy, but you have to keep a watch. The moment you get success, your sugar level falls down, consult your doctor, your physician, and ask him. In fact, he'll be compelled to reduce your dose, which has got so many side reactions. I thank you and I wish you all the best, my dear friends. Om Shanti.